Hello and welcome to our English lesson about nouns. A noun is a word that refers to a person, place, or idea. Nouns are an important part of any sentence and help us understand what the sentence is about. There are several types of nouns in English, including common nouns, proper nouns, and abstract nouns. Common nouns are words that refer to general people, places, things, or ideas. For example, dog, city, and happiness are all common nouns. Proper nouns are specific names for people, places, things, or ideas. They are always capitalized. For example, John, New York, and Eiffel Tower are all proper nouns. Abstract nouns are words that refer to intangible things, such as emotions, qualities, or concepts. For example, love, kindness, and patience are all abstract nouns. Knowing how to use nouns correctly is an important part of learning English. It's also important to be able to recognize the different types of nouns and understand their role in a sentence. So let's get started and learn more about nouns. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.